What is up, guys? It's Aleet, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do motion tracking in After Effects. Now it's pretty easy and it also comes in handy a lot. So what you're going to want to do is have your clip ready, then you double click on it, go over to the tracker section, click on track motion, and then find a point that has a lot of contrast, that is easily tellable apart from the other parts of the video, like this name tag, for example, and just put your tracker on there. So the first box right here is what you're going to track, and the second box is the search size for it. You can also track rotation and scale. You'd pretty much do the same thing, like you get another tracker and you can just find another point, but for now we're just going to track the position. And what you're going to do is just press play. That completely failed. Hold on. Cut the video. Alright, so just we're going to do that again, just with one tracker point, and we're going to stick it to like the corner here. And we're also going to expand the search size a little bit and then press play. And if it goes off target, all you have to do is fix it, which is not too hard. Just put it there. And then yeah, it's back on target. And yeah, so that is motion tracked. And then what you're going to want to do is add a new null object. So just go to layer, new null objects, and then click on edit target and make sure it's set on the null object. Press OK, then press apply. X and Y. Then we have a null object tracked. Oh wait, we messed up the track a little bit here, but whatever, it doesn't matter too much. It's just for tutorial purposes, you know. Alright, so all you have to do now is whatever you want to track. Here, let's track this. The poggers. Let's take this here, stick it right on the guy. All you have to do is link this to the null object, and then bam, it's tracked. And yes, there's a glitch right there because I didn't. If you spend more time on it, then yeah, you can make it better. I mean, honestly, I probably could have done it very easily just by fixing the tracking point. But that's besides the point. I showed you how to do it. Have fun. And remember, if the sun isn't green, then it's also orange and pink. Remember. Wait, I just said remember. Alright, good night. Or good morning. Or, Old Navy is the, yeah.